Hi Bobby, how are you? So let's start logo programming. So I have already opened logo window. Okay. So here in this window, this one is graphic window. Logo stands for language of graphics oriented. So this window is for graphical interface, and this window is for commander window. There are two parts in commander window. One is input part. Here you can give the command, and this is the recall command box where you can see all the commands you have entered so far. And this area is for button, hold, trace. So like if you are running the program and it is executing your commands, but that time you want to halt your program, you can click this hold button. If you want to means debug your program and want to run line by line, then you can click on this trace button. So and then when you want to untrace, you can click on this button again. So pause button is to pause your execution, and status button to check the status of the code, and step you can use step by step execution, and reset you can reset the program. And this is for execute button to execute your command. You can either enter the command and click on enter button to execute your command, or you can click on this execute button also. And this button is to finish the execution. So let's start, and this is the turtle. This point is turtle, and this is the turtle head, and this straight line is turtle tail. So we'll be using this turtle to draw any program in this window. So let's start. First command is I want to move forward this turtle 80 point. So here it is moving forward 80 points, and then I want to rotate this head of this turtle in the right direction. This is right hand side and this is left hand side. So I want to move this head to right side, so 90 degree. So this command will be rt90, and then I want to draw again another line. So I want to give another FD, and I want to basically draw a rectangle which will be having the same edge of 80 point 80 point high or width. So I can put 80 again, and then I want to move this cursor pointer again to 90 degree right. So it will be right 90, and again FD 80, and then right again right 90, FD 90, sorry FD 80. So I just draw this rectangle, and then I can remove this turtle. So the command is ht for hide turtle. So turtle is removed, turtle is hidden. Now I want to show the turtle again. So I want to put the command st show turtle. so it will come again. And suppose height will be good, or okay, height. And okay, there is another command like show turtle. I want to move, I want forward again 100 point. Okay, now I want to draw another rectangle here, so I can put 40, 50, no, so it will be RT 40, altogether 90, and then FD 50, again RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, HD height turtle. So in this way we can draw any graph here. Now let's see what it will. ST show turtle again. So now I want to clear the graph, so it will be CS. CS command means clear screen, so I am clearing the screen. There is another command called BK for back. So back 100, if I put, so here you see back command, actually turtle is not rotating, his head is at the front only, but it is going back. Okay, so this is the use of back command. Now I can rotate this 90 degree. I need to put one space, after one space only, not double space, otherwise it will show the error message. So suppose I am putting RT and then double space 90, here it is taking. Here it is taking, actually not showing error message. Okay, see here instead of RT I put R, so it is showing the error message. I don't know how to R, so this is the error message. So if you don't give proper command, it will show you error message. So okay, now I can draw at this direction FD 40, RT 90, FD 40, RT 90, FD 40, okay, FD 100, I can again put 1000, see it's long. FD 100, I can do back BK 1000, so 1000 it is going too far. I can maximize the window like this. Okay, you can show clear skin. CS. Again, you can draw, rotate RT 360 degree. There is no change. If you rotate icon 360 degree, there is no change. So RT 180 degree, then basically it is rotating 180 direction. So that's all for today. Thanks. And one thing, I can clear the text. CT clear text. It will clear the recall command place box. I can put by, BYE, by means I am closing the logo programming. Thank you.